My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Tesla Model 3. This vehicle has done just over 71,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the user interface, immediately we are met with navigation as a feature. If we click the Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can get access to controls, pedals and steering, charging, autopilot, safety, which has unique features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. Tesla also comes with a 360 degrees camera, and with that you can access your dash cam. We have climate control here, which allows you to pick from the rear or front. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and a panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.